Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to remove viruses and malware on your Samsung Galaxy A16. Now, there are two main methods to remove viruses and malware from your smartphone. Now, the first method is to open the Play Store. Now from here, just tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on Play Protect. Now from here, just tap on Settings and make sure you enable Scan Apps with Play Protect. And also make sure you enable Improve Harmful App Detection. Now from here, just go back. Now from here, just tap on Scan. Now from here, Play Protect will scan your device and it will detect harmful apps. Now as you can see, no harmful apps found. Now the second method to remove viruses and malware on your Samsung Galaxy A16 is to go to the Settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Device Care. Now from here, scroll down and tap on App Protection. Now from here, just tap on Scan Phone. Now with this setting, the App Protect feature will scan your Samsung device and look for harmful apps. Now it will take a few seconds so that it can scan all the apps on your smartphone. Now as you can see, it has finished scanning the apps on our smartphone, and as you can see, no threats found. And this is how you can remove viruses and malware on your Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.